Welcome guys to my channel Radhika's Lessons. Let's learn similar triangles part 1. And you can see the two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now the pairs of the figure shown above have the same shape but their sizes are different. If you look, they look similar but their sizes are different. One is smaller and one is bigger. It means that they are not congruent. Such triangles are called similar triangles. They look alike but they are not congruent. The proportionality of all sides of an important property of similarity of two triangles. Now proportionality means if you find the ratio of these two, that is side AB and side PQ, side AC and side PR, and side BC and side QR, the ratio should be equal. So it is called as proportionality. So if proportionality of these two triangles are equal, but the angles in the figure have to be of the same measures. Okay, proportionality which should be same plus the measure of the angles. Supposing angle A is congruent to angle P, that's 25-25. Angle B is congruent to angle Q, 25-25, and angle C is congruent to angle R, 130-130. So their angles should have equal measures, and the length of their sides, if you compare, they should be in proportion. That is, if you reduce them to the lowest form, say 4/8 is 1/2, 3/6 is equal to 1/2, and 2/4 is equal to 1/2. So they are in the same ratios. So such triangles are called as similar triangles. Now similarity of triangles in triangle ABC and PQR, angle A is equal to P, angle B is equal to Q, and angle C is equal to R. And AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR and is equal to AC upon PR. Then triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar triangles. Now triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar and is written as ABC is similar. This is the sign of similar triangle to PQR. Now let us learn the relation between the corresponding angles and corresponding sides of the similar triangles. Fourth part, in triangle ABC and PQR are in similar correspondence, that is ABC is in correspondence to PQR. Corresponding angles we have seen, angle A is congruent to P, 25, angle B is congruent to Q, 25 degree, and angle C is congruent to angle R, both are 130 degrees. So angles are equal. Now the angles of two triangles are equal. One more point for similar triangles, that is corresponding sides, that is they should be in the same proportion. AB upon PQ, we have seen this, 4/8 which is 1/2, BC upon QR, 3/6 which is equal to 1/2, AC upon PR, 2/4 which is equal to 1/2. So they are in the same proportion. That is, when you bring these values to the lowest form, all the lowest form is same. So what we need to remember is, if the corresponding angles of the two triangles are equal, then the two triangles are similar. If the two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion and corresponding angles are congruent. Corresponding angles are congruent and their corresponding sides are in proportion. This is what we need to remember. Let's start with practice set 3.5. Page 47 of your textbook. Now, if triangle XYZ is similar to LMN, write the corresponding angles of the two triangles and also write the ratio of corresponding sides. Now, triangle XYZ and triangle LMN, they are similar. So, corresponding angles. Let's see the corresponding angles. X is congruent to L, Y is congruent to M, and Z is congruent to N. Right? So, common angle, corresponding angles of similar triangles. Then corresponding sides, XY corresponds to side LM of triangle, LMN. Then so we can write XY upon LM is equal to YZ upon MN, YZ upon MN, and XZ upon LN, XZ upon L. So corresponding sides of similar triangles. This is what only we need to write. Question 2. In triangle XYZ, XY is 4 centimeter, YZ is 6 centimeter, and XZ is 5 centimeter. If triangle XYZ and triangle PQR are similar and PQ is 8, then find the length of the remaining sides of triangle PQR. Now triangle XYZ is similar to PQR. This is given to us. Then let's write the corresponding sides. XZ upon PQ, YZ upon QR, and XZ upon PR. If you look at the given names of the triangles, we can pair them. XY upon PQ, then YZ upon QR, and then XZ upon PR, right? So common side, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now substituting the given values, they are given us XY as 5, XY as 4, and PQ as 8. Then YZ is 6, upon QR we do not know, and XZ is 5. We will substitute the values 5 upon PR, which we do not know. Now every time from the 4, 1 is unknown. So we will compare these two first, and then first and the third. Now 4 upon 8 is equal to 6 upon QR. So QR goes there, 4 comes down. So 6 into and 8 is divided, the other side we multiplied. So 6 into 8 upon 4. 4 ones are and 4 twos are, 6 twos are is QR is equal to 6 into 2, QR is equal to 12 centimeters the answer. Now we will compare 4 upon 8 with 5 upon PR. So 4 upon 8 is equal to 5 upon PR. So PR goes there, 4 comes down, and 8 is divided, the other side we multiply. 5 into 8 upon 4, 4 ones are and 4 twos are, 5 twos are is PR is equal to 5 twos are 10 centimeter. Question 2 is over. Now let's start with question number 3. Draw a sketch of a pair of similar triangles, label them, show their length of corresponding sides by numbers in proportion. So now we have to draw a sketch. Okay, two similar triangles. Okay, any triangles you can draw, but see that we have to show the equal measures, and the corresponding sides should have similar ratios or equal ratios. And so I have just taken a reading. I have drawn a right angle triangle MNS and right angle triangle UVW. Right now in the above figure you can see MNS and triangle UVW. Even I have written the measures. So MNS is similar to UVW. Angle S is congruent to angle W, angle M is congruent to angle U, and angle N is congruent to angle V. Now this is 90 degree, this is 60 degree, and this is 30 degree. So corresponding angles and of similar triangles. Now let's check out the ratios. MS upon UW is equal to MN upon UV and NS upon VW. Now let's substitute the values which I have already shown at the sides. So MS upon UW, that is MS upon UW 2 upon 6, which gives us ratio 1 upon 3. then mn upon uv 5 upon 15, 5 upon 15 is equal to 1 upon 3, and ns upon vw, that is 4 upon 12. If I reduce them to lowest form, that is divide the numerator and denominator by the same number, I get 1 upon 3. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, so 3 is the answer. 5 ones are 5, and 5 threes are 15, 4 ones are 4, and 4 threes are 12. So all the ratios are in proportion. So common sides of similar, corresponding sides of similar triangles. That's all for this video. Wait for my next video for the problem set.